Welcome back with another Snow Squirrel morning. This is for Cassia County, Idaho, along with a couple other counties that's not giving any names for some reason. There's 306 people in this. This goes till 1:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We got parts of Interstates 84, 8, and 86, along with Highway 81 in this morning. So with that, just don't be on the road more than you have to. Take shelter accordingly, and 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 expect whiteout conditions. There's really not much else with this one, so just stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.